Go.
My research title is The Social Media Behavioral Impact of Korean and Asian Drama. Addiction in grade 10 students, according to adults. Number one, introduction background of the study. The popular K and Korean Asian dramas have served globally significantly influencing adolescent entertainment. Refers to teen 2024. Grade students are particularly affected by this phenomenon by many displaying signs of addiction characterized by excessive time spent watching dramas often engaging. Responsibility late part 2023. Drama addiction has been linked in after social media behavior such as withdrawal Withdrawal from face-to-face interaction, academic decline, and change in lifestyle habits. Joy 2022. Understanding the social and behavioral impact of the addiction is essential of school and family to implement and appropriate intervention. Engagement with the process. How do grade students and chapter 2.
Go.
Chapter 2. Review of related literature and global reach of K-drama and other Asian dramas have been documented with a significant appeal among educational world. Several studies emphasize an addictive nature of the binge-watch show, which can lead to social withdrawal, sleep deprivation, and academic failure. Part 2023, 2021. Social impacts include reducing face-to-face communication skills and isolation in peer and family networks. Behavioral change such as a procrastination, mood swing, and irregular daily routines are the common among addicted viewers. Joy 2022. Intervention and suggested include parental monitoring, physical and emotional education, and school-based counseling programs. 2021, July 2023. Chapter 3. Methodology and Research Design. A qualitative phenomenological design of this was used to capture and level experiences and perception and student dramas habits. Participation. Purposefully selected grade 10 students from Dato Pauliman to graded school who self-identify and addicted to Korean drama and Asian drama. Introduction. Semi-structured interviews exploring addiction and patterns, social impacts, behavioral change, and copying mechanisms. Observation notes during informal peer discussion. Data collection. Interviews conducted in the information and consent and privacy-based ensure and confidentiality and comfort. Data analysis. Semantic analysis was applying to interpret through the lens and insights from the data. Chapter 4. Result and discussion. Participants describe intense attachment to Korean and Asian dramas. Participating during the studies and social activities. Socially linking experience and just family interaction. Behavior may influence sleep patterns and representation. Very common copying often involve word or self-regulation. Attempts but may be felt unable and control their viewing habits that finding aligned with prior literature and media addiction, and highlight the need to the school and parental involvement in managing drama addiction. Chapter 5. Conclusion and recommendation. Korean Asian drama addiction significantly affect in social and behavioral vaccination. Integrated students of Dato Integrated School intervention and urgent to address academic-based social withdrawal recommendation include declared school awareness program and media addiction, training counselors in the recognize and manage drama addiction. Thank you.